In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change button in Squarespace. We'll walk through updating your site-wide button style so it matches your brand and looks consistent everywhere. Start by heading to the Squarespace website and sign in if you're prompted. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon to open the menu. From that menu, choose Account Dashboard. This takes you to the place where all of your sites are listed. Find the site you want to edit and click it to open. On the site overview, select Edit Site to launch the site editor. When the editor loads, click Edit again so you're in full editing mode. This will reveal the main sidebar and the design tools we need. On the left-hand sidebar, look for Styles. Click it to open your style settings. Now shift your focus to the right-hand panel that appears. In that panel, find and click Buttons. This is where Squarespace groups the controls that affect every button across your site. So changes here will update primary and secondary buttons in a single place. Inside buttons, you'll see different button packs and styles. Browse through the options and select a new button design you like. As you click each option, you'll see a live preview so you can quickly compare shapes, outlines, fills, and corner radiuses. A helpful tip here, choose a style with strong color contrast and clear text readability to keep your calls to action accessible and easy to spot. If your brand leans minimal, a simple outline might work best. If you want maximum emphasis, a solid fill often stands out more. After you've chosen the button style you prefer, use the back arrow at the top of the panel to return to the main buttons screen. You'll now see your newly selected button reflected in the preview. This update applies across your site's pages wherever standard buttons are used, so you don't have to adjust each page individually. If the new look isn't quite right, you can repeat the process and try another pack until it fits your design. It's normal to experiment a bit to find the right balance between visibility and style. Keep in mind that your choice here helps guide visitors to your most important actions, so consistency matters. That's it. You went from your dashboard to the site editor, opened styles, navigated to buttons, selected a new button style, and confirmed the change. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your refreshed buttons in Squarespace.